Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Justin, and today I will teach you the process of applying and using a voucher for a specific product you want to order on TikTok Shop. So, let's get started. First things first, let's select a product that we can order. For example, let's choose this wired headset with mic. Now, I want to order this. The option to buy with a coupon will be available depending on the specific product. Sometimes, there will be an existing coupon that you have, so it will automatically appear as buy with coupon. Let's select the options, for example, 3mm, Type-C, or iOS. Then, click on Buy Now. Now, as you can see, we currently have the TikTok Shop discount enabled. This is where you'll find your existing coupons. Apart from the discount from the seller, which we currently don't have, there's also a coupon from the TikTok Shop itself. You'll find it under the TikTok Shop discount. If you have a coupon, this is where you'll be able to select and apply it, just like with a seller discount. And that's it guys, it's as simple as that. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.